The old trap on a regular furnace. Positive pressure coming out of here. They have it trapped to minimize the air loss. I'm not a big fan of putting traps on positive pressure systems because I just feel like the less things on a system to break, the better off we are. And this is just a nuisance service call, or could be just a nuisance service call. Now this system is 8.5 years old. Now I want you to look. I don't know if you can see, but there's a little water droplet. Let's see if I can get it. I want you to see right here, there's a little water droplet. Right there. Now, I know it's glue because you can see the glue right there. Now look what it's done to the pan. Look what it's done to the pan. I'm glad that this drain is inside that pan there, but because I've been doing the maintenance here for about 4 years, and look, I've even changed the coil here. But if a glue joint is glued, then there's no way that it should break, that it should leak. So I'm going to replace the trap. I'm going to take it totally out of the system, put a regular piece of PVC there on the floor, and be done with that. So this was not up here last year. That rust was not up here last year. So it must have happened after I left, and I was wondering, well, where's the water coming from? Sure enough, that's where it was coming from, right there. So I'm going to cut the trap out and just put a piece of pipe. Alright, so the trap is gone. There'll be no more leaking pipe. There's a culprit down there at this little joint right there. I'm going to take it outside, see if I can't figure out how much of that pipe got shoved into that 90. Alright, so I just brought it outside, and if you look real close you can see the water drip. But I tried to take it apart, and I cannot get the bottom apart, but you can see where this one was glued, and it came apart with no problem at all. But it was glued. So I've not really ever been a fan of this wet dry glue, the blue stuff, for whatever reason, and look, you can see why it doesn't hold up. Anyway, yeah, I don't know if I'll be able to get that one apart or not, but just looks like it just didn't hold up. There was a house in this neighborhood last year, the year before that, one of those 90s came apart, flooded the guy's ceiling, ruined the bedroom down below it. So, no, I'm not going to put traps in if I can avoid it.